about it. What's up, everybody? This is Kenny with Texas Steel again. Right now I'm about to show you this piece of equipment. This is an ESAB Warrior 400 welding machine. We got these machines 2 years ago. We have 2 of them now. The reason we got these machines was we got robbed one night and somebody stole a lot of our Miller welding machines that were, they were inverted machines, and we had wire feeders for them, and they stole all that. And we needed some machines real fast and in a hurry. And so I purchased one of these ESABs, and the guys liked it, so I went ahead and got another one. So just to tell you about this machine, it's 3-phase. So if you don't have 3-phase power, you need to get the 300. You can check me on that, but I think that one runs on single phase. But this 400 machine has 400 amps, and this down here is the power source, and we can MIG, we can flux core, we can stick, we can TIG, we can arc gouge, you can weld aluminum with it, you can weld stainless, so it's very versatile. This particular package comes with this cart, which holds the wire feeder, because 95% of the welding we do is either MIG or flux core, and then it'll hold your bottle back here. So I'll let Santiago talk a little bit about how he likes this machine.
Well, I love it. I mean, it's been my baby since I got it brand new, and like he said, I mean, you can do any type of welding with it, and especially gouging. We don't do a lot of gouging because most of the time, I mean, everything that is fabricated is perfect. So far the welds, they come out good, so we don't have to be doing any gouger. And this one right here, it has all the connections. It has everything, plug and play. It's just unplug it and plug it back in. And then you got your flux core right here, which this is what we use most of the time. It's a good flux core. We also use MIG. This one is a 45, and the other one is a 35 MIGger. But you can still run it. All you have to do is just switch your tip, and you should be good with it. And it has extra nuts here that you can, use. But it's perfect. I love this machine. And we use argon 75, 25. I love this machine right here.
So on the inside of the machine, where it holds the wire, it gives you some parameters for different thickness materials you're using, and kind of some guidelines on what to set your voltage at and your wire speed, which ultimately will come down to personal preference, but you'll have some minimums there. And like he mentioned, like we mostly use flux core wire, which is dual shielded. So this wire right here is 0.45 diameter, and it's flux core. So this wire comes with a shield flux with it, and then it's dual shielded with the 75-25. We don't run straight argon. We run 75% argon, 25% CO2. The other wire we use is MIG wire, or we just call it short arc, and we'll get that in 0.45 and 0.35, and that's typically just used for thinner materials. But most of the applications for us, we're welding on thicker, heavier material, and we prefer to use the flux core because it burns hotter, you can get more penetration, and just get an overall better quality of weld.